Hello and welcome to Smart Asset Software. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the quick check-in and check-out feature in the Smart Asset browser. When you open up Smart Asset, you'll be at the dashboard. From here, click on the Asset tab. On the right of the screen, there is a quick checkout icon in yellow. When the quick checkout screen pops up, it will initially ask you to insert the user ID of who the item will be getting checked out to. Dave. Now that we've selected who the asset is getting checked out to, we'll now insert the asset code. As we have now added the iPad Pro to the reservation, to confirm the checkout, we'll click on the green checkout button. Once that's processed, you are taken back to the original quick checkout screen, which will show you the time and date stamp for your checkout. Now to check the asset back in, it's even easier than checking it out. Let's insert the user ID again. The page is showing you what is currently assigned to Dave. The checked out asset is showing you the time, date, and reservation number for your reference. When you're ready, click on the green check-in button and the screen will change and a pop-up will appear saying you've successfully checked in the asset. Thank you for watching, and be sure to access our Smart Asset video library for more helpful tips. And if you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on support@smartasset.com.au.